Now that we've muscled the new replacement log up to the end of the sill beams, which was a lot of fun, as you could see, we've got the original log up here as well, and you could see it's notched here to rest on this sill beam, but it's rotten, and so we've got to cut this new log, cut this notch out here, and it's about 3 or so inches into the log. I'm going to wait and cut. There's also a notch that's going to go at the top, which you can see probably better over here. This is a better view of a good notch. So this is the notch that'll rest on the sill beam, and so what we'll do is we'll cut that out here, and then eventually this is the dovetail joint for the next log that will go in, but I'm going to wait and cut that once we dry fit the log that's going to go into place, so that we make sure it's as tight a fit as possible. The notch for the replacement log on the first one on the right side, RA1, has been notched out now, and we got a pretty good fit there across the sill beam log. And as we go across, it's looking pretty level, and we've got a good notch out over here. And in particular, this is kind of cool. You can see where it's been leaking out the rosin, the sap from inside this new pine log, so it's fresh with sap. So if we take the original RA1, which is this log here, the rotten one, and we lift it up, we can see how they look. So the original one had a larger than necessary gap. I don't know if that was just from the log shrinking over time or what, but it was a little bit shorter. So we've got a better fit and more of an overhang with the new log, so we've got more wood to work with. But overall, it looks like a good fit. So we've got our first log placed, and if you look on the outside here and kind of compare them, that's what the original one would have looked like. And we haven't stripped the bark off. But that's a log cabin, folks. That's